Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to see how to make a default selection for today on the slicer. So on this report, we are using a date slicer, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how we can by default make it to today. And whenever you open your report tomorrow or day after tomorrow, automatically the selection will be on today, and that is going to be the same date. Okay. So for that, we need to just write a simple DAX calculation. So right now, let me just show you how my table, dates table looks. Let's go to that dates table. So in this dates table, as you can see, we have actually this dates table has been created using mscript. So we have all the date related fields. So right now in my dates column, have data from 2019 January 1st till 2022. Okay, and you can just double check that this years, right? You can have 2022. So I wanted to get the today's date by default. So for that, I'm going to write a calculation for today. Here is the today's calculation. It is a very simple and straightforward calculation. All I'm doing is I'm checking date is equal to today. If date is equal to today, today is a function here, today, and this open braces and close braces, this is a function. So basically this will give me a date for today. So I'm just checking if my date is equal to today's date. If it is true, I'm just passing a string called today. And if it is false, I'm going to check another condition. If date is less than today, okay. If date is not today, but is it less than today? In that case, I'm just showing a date of that previous date. For example, if it is checking for yesterday's date and yesterday's date is less than today's date, it is true. So in that case, I'm showing that yesterday's date as it is. What I'm doing is I'm just adding an ampersand and I'm showing an empty string just because to convert this date to a text format. So when I do this, automatically this whole output is being as a text format because my first statement is also a text format. So the end output of this is a text format. Okay. So very simple logic that I've written. So all I have to do is I have to just navigate this new logic. I have to replace this new logic in my date slicer. So let me click on the date slicer here, and I'm just dragging this today's calculation, and I'll delete this date. As you can see, we have got all these new calculation fields which are text based. So I have to just sort it by descending. So this will give me the today on the top, and as you can see, it is showing the previous yesterday's date and previous days. It will not show any future dates. It will start from today and it goes back to the previous dates, right? So every day, if you open this report, tomorrow you'll be able to see 14th here, and automatically the today will be selected. Like in case you are selecting this data, so and save this report. Whenever you open this report, like in future, automatically that date will be for today, and the previous days will follow in this selection. So if you have any doubts, you can just comment below so that I can answer it there. Thanks for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.